Good evening. I'm Morgan Young. Mike and Ann had the night off. We are breaking records in the St. Louis area. Take a look at this. New COVID-19 numbers today show more increases in hospitalizations. Our Justina Cornell spoke to the head of the Pandemic Task Force and brings us a clearer picture of what we're seeing here in our area.
The numbers are not going down. They're only going up.
Head of the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force, Dr. Alex Garza, says keep your guard and mask up more than ever.
Because the hospitals are so full, because we get so many sick patients, and because the weather is cold outside and people are coming indoors.
New numbers rolled in on Sunday, record-breaking ones. One is a 7-day moving average of hospitalizations with 897. We've actually broken this record every day since November 10th. And Sunday, 920 COVID patients were being treated in area hospitals, an all-time high.
And so the 900 is really the acute COVID patients, but we still have patients that are utilizing capacity and are still sick. That aren't even included in this list.
Coming off of Thanksgiving, I know we've been seeing a lot of national news stories kind of about health officials kind of expecting numbers to continue to rise. Is that something that you'll think that will happen in the St. Louis area as well?
I do. I think the question is by how much.
Dr. Matt Broom, Chief Medical Officer of SSM Health SLU Hospital, says they're looking at these Thanksgiving numbers to brace for impact.
It is something that I'm very concerned about, and we'll have to look now, 1 to 2 weeks out to really start seeing what some of that travel may bring to our area.
Dr. Garza says while we've seen some hope with vaccine news, we still have to continue doing our part until we reach the finish line to not only bring transmission down, but to help those up in the front line.
Some people like to say, well, we're turning the corner on this. I would say we're turning the corner getting onto the entrance ramp, and we still got about 500 miles to go.
Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.
Dr. Garza says right now the task force is working with the state to get some additional resources. He says that could range from getting extra staff or even resources from the military.